on Thursday, I'll release a budget that's sober in its assessments, honest in its accounting, and lays out in detail my strategy for investing in what we need, cutting what we don't, and restoring fiscal discipline. However, any honest accounting must prepare for the fact that healthcare reform will require additional costs in the short term in order to reduce spending in the long term. One such choice would be a public option that would make healthcare more affordable through competition that keeps the insurance companies honest. That's why any plan I sign must include an insurance exchange, a one-stop shopping marketplace where you can compare the benefits, costs, and track records of a variety of plans, including a public option to increase competition and keep insurance companies honest, and choose what's best for your family. And then dominated by willful misrepresentations and outright distortions, spread by the very folks who would benefit the most by keeping things exactly as they are. So today, I want to spend a few minutes debunking. I will always respect those who take a principled stand. Instead, they're targeted relief to help middle-class families weather the storm, to jumpstart our economy, and to bring the fundamentals of the American dream, making an honest living, earning an education, owning a home, and raising a family, back within reach for millions of Americans. That's why, next week, I've invited the leadership of both parties to the White House for a real and honest discussion. Because I believe that if we stop talking at one another and start talking with one another, we can get a lot done. Let's be honest. Neither party in this town is blameless. And to be honest, part of why I came was to see it up close. Promise a quick fix when it... Let's be honest. Republicans in Congress won't act on this plan before the election. We had an open and honest conversation about critical issues like immigration reform and gun violence and other areas where we can work together to move this country forward. I'm going to be honest with you. One of the best parts of being president is having your own really... And competition only works when rules are in place to keep it fair and open and honest. This is America, and we don't begrudge a company's success when that success is based on honest dealings with consumers. And it will require that each of our nations play by the rules in open and honest competition. And this generation, your generation, is the one that must find a path back to prosperity and decide how we respond to a global economy that left millions behind even before the most recent crisis hit. An economy where greed and short-term thinking were too often rewarded at the expense of fairness and diligence and an honest day's work. And I have to be honest here, this is the toughest single issue that we will face. I want to be honest with you.